Welcome to the channel guys with trading plan for the upcoming week. As we do, let's dive into fundamentals first. This past week, the risk-off sentiment fueled dollar bulls with support from ongoing geopolitical tension between Israel and Iran and a robust U.S. economic pulse. Key indicators, PMI, unemployment claims, new home sales, goods orders, and consumer sentiment continued to showcase U.S. economic resilience. As a result, the dollar strengthened, with investors seeking its safe haven appeal amid global uncertainty. Gold continued to defy the odds, approaching new all-time highs despite dollar strength, underscoring its appeal as a hedge against both geopolitical turmoil and the upcoming U.S. presidential elections. Silver attempted to ride the wave upward but found itself held back by fears of a global slowdown, tempering aggressive bullish sentiment. In the world of crude oil, the mood remains cautious, as China's stimulus efforts and global economic slowdown fears are counterbalanced by a persistent supply glut. The recent BRICS summit delivered ambitious rhetoric on de-dollarization but has yet to dent the dollar significantly. The real test lies in whether BRICS implements its proposals in actual trade. Meanwhile, Israel's aerial response in Iran seems more a symbolic act to appease domestic audiences on both sides, with minimal escalation, what we call Noor Kushti in Pakistan, like a world wrestling entertainment match for political show. As we inch closer to election days both in Japan now and in US later in next week, market volatility is expected to spike, with investors flocking to safe haven assets like dollar gold. Silver gold sensed Israel's potential retaliation early on, showing signs of weakness but still managed to close in positive territory. However, any further upside appears vulnerable if Israeli-Iranian tensions remain restrained. Silver now looks to China's stimulus impact, with upcoming Chinese manufacturing data possibly setting the tone. Crude oil appears directionless, with its fate partly hinging on U.S. election outcomes. A Trump victory could boost demand for oil, while a Harris win might extend Democratic policies, dampening the outlook for an already bearish market. Here is the weekly trading plan: U.S. 10-year bond yields and dollar outlook. U.S. 10-year bond yields are anticipated to continue their upward trajectory as inflation concerns re-emerge alongside a potential Fed pause in the upcoming FOMC. This trend is likely to bolster the dollar's appeal, with investors seeking safe haven assets amid U.S. election volatility and heightened geopolitical risks in the Middle East. Strategy: favor dollar longs, positioning to benefit from these macro pressures. Euro and cable: with a stronger dollar, euro and cable present compelling short opportunities. Dollar strength could weigh on both, with additional bearish pressure on cable. On the other hand, Ninja would traditionally see dollar strength as a bullish factor. However, Japan's upcoming elections, potential Bank of Japan rate hikes, and the yen's safe haven status could temper this momentum. Strategy: short euro and cable, approach Ninja cautiously with strict stops, staying ready to switch to longs if price action signals a shift. Gold and silver: precious metals, gold and silver might offer risky short opportunities as geopolitical tensions appear to ease following Israel's limited strikes in Iran and Iran's restrained response. This face-saving posture reduces the urgency for safe haven flows, potentially easing demand for these assets. Strategy: take calculated short positions, monitoring for any geopolitical shifts that could revive the safe haven demand. Crude oil prices are expected to range trade this week as the market awaits the outcome of the U.S. election. A Trump victory could favor fossil fuel bulls, while a Harris win might reinforce current green energy policies, pressuring the sector. Strategy: watch for potential breakouts, otherwise, play the range with stops to manage volatility. Bitcoin and Ethereum: crypto assets are poised for significant volatility, with both Bitcoin and Ethereum likely to experience swings as election results could favor either pro-crypto Trump or the less supportive Harris. Strategy: while our bias leans short, remain flexible, ready to adjust to long positions if price action dictates a favorable shift. Let's stay disciplined, follow the plan, and work toward a profitable week after closing a heavy loss week this past week. Thanks for watching, and I hope you follow my trading plan and earn handsome profits. If so, do not keep it to yourself and like, subscribe and share for the greater benefit of trading community at large.